Hi, my name is Mike. I'm a pretty new engineer out of school. I just had a question regarding like when you are working with a new manufacturer in China, how do you leverage like an experienced manufacturer if you're a new company, and like what's to stop them from just essentially taking your money and then just giving you just like a crappy product, knowing that they have high volumes with another company or another reputable company elsewhere?
You want to take it?
Sure. Well, a lot of times it comes down to qualifying the factory, right? So, and it's very difficult to qualify a factory from here on the phone. If you go to China, you're on the ground, you have an agent on the ground in China, it's a different story. It's a little harder for them to hide things. Everyone postures there and makes themselves look larger than what they are. Everyone says they can do everything. When you get to the factory, you realize very quickly that they can't do everything they say. Just for example, they might do high volume plastics manufacturing, but they don't do in-house tooling. The tooling's done somewhere else. And then those toolers don't do their texturing in-house, they do it somewhere else as well. So right there you've got multiple layers. And those are the kind of things you can only find out when you're on the ground. So you either want to do it yourself or find a reliable source to qualify them for you. There are ways to qualify them through questioning. But like anyone, you can definitely finagle that and fudge that. It's always best to be there.
One of the things I've done is you literally just walk the factory floor and you count the injection molding machines. That way I know exactly how many machines you have. I know how many of my tools can go on a machine at once. I know if you have capacity to do more. If I see multiple different items coming out on the assembly line, I've seen Barbies being assembled right next to porta potty toilet seats. It shows they work on a breadth of products. So it's being there and knowing the factories that you're working with. So for Focus, though, one of the advantages is we have other clients in that same factory. They don't want to lose the other business, so they're going to treat our other clients right.
Yeah, it's a little different when you've been working with a lot of factories and you have a good relationship with them. So what we find is, yes, we bring in new factories all the time, but less now than what we used to because we've got a good base, and that takes a while to build up that solid base.